JNTU Kakinada R23 regulation set number 1 second BTech first semester regular examination November 2024 subject switching theory and logic design branch EC only part A 2 marks questions 10 ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది ఒకటిలో ఏ లిస్ట్ అవుట్ డి మోర్గన్ థీరం B. Which of the following words contain an error for odd parity? C. Simplify the following equation a plus b a plus c. Define objection law with suitable example. E. What is a PROM? F. Distinguish between an encoder and a decoder. G. Explain the difference between excitation table and truth table. H. Define race around condition and how can a eliminate it. I. Draw the block diagram of finite state model. J. Draw the state stable of a Moore and Merle model representation. Part B లో ఉన్న 2 questions. Second లో ఏ encode data bytes 1101 into a the 7-bit even parity Hamming code. The received data is 101101. Check any error is present it. B లో ఉన్న 2 question. Simplify the following expressions and implement them with NAND. Second one, NOR gate circuits. F is equal to A bar B plus ABD plus AB bar D plus A bar C bar D bar plus A bar B C bar. Unit 2 third A. Differentiate between a prime implicant and non-prime implicant and essential prime implicant and non-essential prime implicant. 2. Reduce the following function using K map and identify prime implicants and essential prime implicants. B question. Design a full adder circuit using half adders and explain the procedure. Unit 3 lo 4 question. Design a BCD to 7 segment decoder circuit and explain it. B. Implement the following Boolean functions using PAL with 4 inputs and 3 wide AND over R structure. Also write the PAL programming table. F. ABCD. And question number 5. A. Design and explain a function asynchronous 2-byte ripple up counter using negative edge triggered flip-flop. B. Design a 4-bit asynchronous serial in a parallel out shift left register. Unit 5 నుంచి 20 questions. 6 లో ఏ draw the state diagram and state table for a Moore type sequence detector to detect the sequence 11010. B. Design SRFF in Merle model and explain. Set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4 డిఫరెంట్ వీడియోలో అప్లోడ్ చేస్తానండి. కామన్గా ఏ క్వశ్చన్స్ అయితే 2 to 3 times రిపీట్ అవుతున్నాయో వాటిని జాగ్రత్తగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. యూనిట్కి 6 to 7 క్వశ్చన్స్ తగ్గకుండా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. 55 and above రావడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్.